All right, so this video is going to show how to create an amphora. We are going to start off with a cylinder. Don't worry about size as you're creating it. Going to make a radius of 3, height of 0.5, height segments 1, and we're going to make a 6-sided cylinder. So I know you may think that that's not a cylinder, that's a hexagon, but it's the easiest way to make a hexagon is by using the cylinder function and then making it 6 sides. We're going to center this on the origin here. So we're going to right click on move and then absolute world. We're going to make all these 0. Easiest way to do that is to right click on the up and down arrows. That changes, and that works for anything, by the way, changes the amount to 0. Close that. I'm going to right click, convert to editable poly, select the top face, and we're going to scale this face to 115%. So right here where it says select and uniform scale, offset world, we're going to change 100 to 115, enter. And so that makes that top face bigger than the bottom face. So now we're going to do a series of bevels. So I want to explain one thing here. As I hit bevel for the first time, it's displaying, it has numbers in here and it's displaying these numbers, but these numbers are not locked in yet. So when I change them, it's going to change on here. The numbers won't lock in until you hit the plus or the check. The check closes the bevel, the plus adds that bevel, and then prompts you to make another bevel. All right, so stay with me here. I'm just going to do, it's kind of a long list of bevels. Follow along. So the first bevel is 1, and then 0. 1 height, 0, 0 outline. 1 height, 0 outline, yeah. And the plus. And then notice as I do that, the 1 0 is still there. So now it's showing the next 1 0. So this 1 0 is input already. The next one is not input. It's waiting for me to put more numbers in. I'm just going to press Q to turn that scale off. All right. So next numbers, 0.5. So I'm going to go a little faster now. Negative 0.5. And I'm just going to keep hitting the plus. 1.5. No, I'm sorry. Just 0.5 again. 0. And a bevel of 0 is really the same as an extrusion, but since we're doing other bevels, it's easier to just stay in the bevel tool. 1.5, 0. We're going to go 6, 0. And the purpose of having all those are all 0, but I get all these line segments, these various line segments, which will come into play later on. 4, 4. 1.5, 1.5, 1, 1, 24, 0. Now we're going to start going back in. 8, negative 1, 4, negative 2, 3, negative 2.5, 3, negative 1.5, almost done. 4, negative 1, and 4, negative 0.5. So I'll hit the check mark because I'm done with the beveling. So we've actually made this amphora upside down, so we're going to flip it around. So I'm going to go to the scale and rotate. I'm going to right click on that. And then I'm going to rotate it on the X axis, 180 degrees. Oops. All right, I'm going to undo that. Sorry. So what I didn't do was, this is a good lesson learned, deselect editable poly. So now it's flipping the entire thing and not just that face. So right click, 180. That flips the entire Amphora around. And then I'm going to move this up back on top of the grid. All right, so I'm going to stop this video here, and we're going to do the handles and the base in the next video.